Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are lovely and well. So in today's video I wanted to film a very festive Christmassy makeup look. It is very red. I'm loving it. I'm literally so obsessed with it. I feel like I've got back into the swing of makeup at the moment and I'm really liking it. I'm liking it. This video is partly sponsored by Deck of Scarlet and I can't wait for you guys to see all the amazing products that I've used in today's video with such an amazing brand. All products as usual will be listed in the description box down below. Hope you guys lovely and cozy. Grab your hot drinks, and if you want to know how to create this makeup look, it's been ages since I filmed one, then please keep watching. Alright, I'm just gonna put some lip balm on. I really feel like this time of year my lips are like, just give me all the lip balm please. Okay, so as you can see my hair is looking a hot mess right now, but let's just ignore it. I'm gonna do it after. I don't even know what's going on. I'm actually gonna do my hair as a separate video after, so you're gonna just see my hair all curly, and if you liked it then it's a separate video, so go watch it, okay? As you can see, my base is basically done. Apart from bronzer, I just wanted to pop on my Hoola bronzer. I was just gonna do my bronzer anyway, because you guys, if you've watched my channel before, you all know that I can be quite repetitive with the products that I use when it comes to my base, and I was thinking, oh, maybe I should just leave it and just not do my base and just go straight onto the eyes, because I never really do like that many makeup looks anymore. So yeah, I thought I'd do that, but then a lot of you are always like, what bronzer are you wearing? So I thought I'd add it. No, why not? But if you guys are interested in knowing how I do my base makeup, then just watch one of my makeup tutorials that I've done, because it hasn't changed in a while, to be honest. It's basically exactly the same. Hence why I don't do as many now, because it got to the point where I was doing a lot of makeup tutorials and they all look the same. Then I was like, there's no point. I should just stop. I don't know what I'm doing. Time to move on to my eyes and, sorry, I'm sitting on something. Now time to move on to my eyes and my lips. This part of the video is partly sponsored by Deck of Scarlet. You guys would have guessed it by now. I actually work with these guys on a monthly basis and I love them so much. Let's move back a bit and get comfy. If you don't know what Deck of Scarlet are, they are a monthly subscription beauty service. You can buy them one-off if you want to as well, but I highly recommend purchasing their monthly subscription service because it's amazing. It's only £29.95 each month. It's cheaper than a palette or something you'd buy in Sephora, and it's like a gift to yourself each month because you deserve a treat. You do. I always really look forward to receiving my Deck of Scarlet box because I'm like, what is in it? I don't know. You can obviously have a little peek beforehand at a preview if you're not too sure on the box, and you can skip that month and they won't charge you, but why would you skip it? Because it is incredible. It's just so lovely. Anyway, let's move on to this because it's amazing. It is vegan, it's cruelty free, it's everything you want in a brand and more. I've actually made my own, which I say all the time when I work with Deck of Scarlet, but I've been flown to New York with them. I've made my own palette with them. I've met the people behind the brand and they're so lovely. They're so lovely. So this is the Rouge Rebel kit and it is honour of their 3-year anniversary, which is crazy. Like, time's flown so much. I feel like this is such like a bold statement for them for their 3rd year anniversary, and it's perfect in time for Christmas. Like, with all the packaging, it's red and it's just amazing. So I want to show you guys what's inside it because I think it's literally ideal and it's good for this look too, so happy days. So these are the 3 products you get in this month's subscription. This month features a dual-ended eyeshadow stick in Rouge / Revolt, vegan lashes in Drama, and then the patent leather lacquer in Lacquer, I think that's how you say it, in Power. So I just think these are amazing. They're such an amazing like bold statement. Oh, they're just incredible. I can't wait to swatch them for you. So this is the dual end shadow stick and it looks like this. Oh my god, honestly, Deck of Scarlet, their pigments are just something else. Like, how insane is that? It's just, they're amazing and they're easy to blend if you did want to blend them out. So you can blend one of them in your crease like so, and then you've got a really nice statement sort of red and it's a little bit more glittery. And then you've got their patent leather lacquer, I think that's how you say it, in the shade Power. Can we literally, I can't get over this. The shade of that is absolutely everything. It's like the most dreamiest red in the world. How insane is that? Oh my god, I can't wait to wear this. So obviously it's a Christmassy look. I wanted it to look as festive as ever. So I thought using this amazing brand with their amazing Rouge Rebel kit was literally perfect. You also get free shipping from the US. And they also ship to the UK and Canada as well, which is amazing. So if you want to get 30% off your first monthly subscription service from Deck of Scarlet, then use the code ROUGE at checkout. I will leave all details in the description box down below with the links, the code, everything like that, so it's all going to be there for you, so you don't have to memorize it all. But yeah, it's just, honestly, it's amazing, and it's also such a good gift to get someone for Christmas. I think it's literally perfect. It's perfect timing, it's affordable, and it's just, it's so nice, and it's like a present each month, and you should get it for yourself or ask for it for Christmas because it's so good. So good. Anyway, going straight into the eyes, I have got powder on my eyes, which is perfect because I feel like it's a better base to work with. Better. Anyway, I'm going to use the shade Revolt, which is more of like a bronzy. Or is that the red? And I'm just going to go all over my lid. This is fun. It's like painting your eye with a crayon. So I'm just going to go all over like so. And then you're just going to get a blending brush and just blend the shade out. Oh my god, they're so nice to blend.
What a feeling, now it's time for.
And then with that same shade, I'm just going to go all under my eye.
This is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all.
How amazing and Christmassy is this? And it just blends like a dream. Honestly, their quality of their products are just incredible. So after that is done, I'm then going to grab the other side of it, which is just a beautiful red, and just sort of go down the middle. And this is just going to go all over my lid like so. And then you're going to get your blending brush again and just sort of blend it in so it's over your lid. And I wanted to create a simple look but also very effective. I think that's so lovely. And I'm just going to do the same to the other eye.
A carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer there are.
I'm then going to go back in with my Hoola and just deepen up the outer V's a little bit more, just to make it blend a bit better, and just pull that up a bit. And then just grab your blending brush again. I've lost it. Got it. And just blend that out. Sort of smokes it out that little bit more. It still does look so lovely like this, but I just want it a little bit deeper. So just pat some bronzer on the outer V, and then use your blending brush. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, with Anastasia Beverly Hills and the Amrezy highlighter, this is what mine looks like, because when this came out, it was like an obsession of mine. I don't think I've ever had a product like this before. I haven't used this in ages, but it is so pigmented. So I'm going to use this on the tear duct. Look at that. And then also the brow bone. And then blend that with your finger. Just makes it look more seamless. When that is all done, I'm just going to grab my liner and just line my lash line. I'm not going to do a wing or anything because I don't want to take it away from the look, but it's just to line it before putting mascara and then falsies on.
What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.
So I have just applied my mascara. I've used the Benefit Bad Girl Bang, and on this side I've just applied my falsies. So I'm going to take the glue out because that's so beautiful. I'm using the lashes that came with the Deck of Scarlet kit, but I've cut them up, as you can see. So I've cut them up and it just makes it a lot easier to apply the lashes with. So I've cut them up into little sections like this, just so it makes it easier, and I like them a little bit more sporadic, so I don't like a full lash, if that makes sense. And I don't know why, in the winter my eyes water every time I go outside. Like if I go outside my eyes will just stream, and if I wear a lash it will just lift a little bit. So just a little tip, I find cutting them up like a strip lash and then just popping them on where they'd usually go helps so much. Like it makes such a difference. So I am just going to pop them on now, and then hopefully we are good to go.
Are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been
Okay, for lip liner I'm going to use the Zoeva Graphic Lips Bit of Danger in the shade BB7. That's the liner.
Good day. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.
Okay, and then I'm going to go with the lip lacquer. Oh my god, this is amazing. It's such like a deep red. It's so lovely. Oh my god, I'm obsessed.
Guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season.
So everyone, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you have, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Also, come and say hi to me over on Instagram. Follow Deck of Scarlet, and as always, all products that I've shown you guys will be listed in the description box down below. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I can see the snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call.